Hi friends, today I'm going to teach you how to make three different types of chicken tikka, that is chicken haryali tikka, chicken tikka and chicken malai tikka. Now we will need around 3 teaspoons of tandoori masala powder, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, salt as per taste, and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of fresh cream, and around 100 grams of chicken, boneless chicken, cut into 1-inch pieces. Now we will start marinating the chicken with all the masala mixture. I will be adding the salt, and I will also be adding the tandoori masala, ginger garlic paste, lemon juice, and salt as per taste. We will just mix all the things together. After mixing all the things together, I will keep it in the refrigerator for marination for around 2 to 3 hours. After 2 to 3 hours, I'm taking around 1 tablespoon of fresh cream, and I will just mixing all the things together, and I will again keep this in refrigerator and marinate this for around 1 to 2 hours more. After 1 to 2 hours, I'll take the bamboo skewers and I'll just start putting the chicken pieces through these skewers. Now in a frying pan, add butter and add the chicken pieces. Cook this on a low to medium flame, and I will just cover the pan. After about 4 to 5 minutes, we are just going to check the chicken. I'll just turn this and try this on the other side also. I will again close the lid. After about 4 to 5 minutes, I will check the chicken pieces. These are completely cooked. Now I'll need 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, nutmeg and green cardamom powder, which I have prepared in the mixer grinder. And I will also need salt as per taste, and around 1 to 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, and around 3 to 4 bamboo skewers, and again 1 to 2 tablespoons of fresh cream, and around 1 to 200 grams of chicken, boneless chicken. Now I'll take the chicken pieces and we'll start marinating this with the ginger garlic paste and the masala mixture which I have prepared. I will add the salt, black pepper powder, lemon juice, around 2 teaspoons. Now I'll just mix all the things together, and I'll keep this in the refrigerator for around 1 to 2 hours to marinate. After 1 to 2 hours, I am adding 2 tablespoons of fresh cream, and I will just mix this well, and again I'll keep this for marination in refrigerator for around 1 to 2 hours. After 1 to 2 hours, I'm taking the bamboo skewers and I'll start adding the chicken pieces onto the skewer. Now in a frying pan, I've taken oil and I have just added the chicken pieces. I will cook this on a low to medium flame. After 4 to 5 minutes, I'm just going to turn the chicken pieces and try this again for around 4 to 5 minutes. Now after 4 to 5 minutes, uncover the lid and I'll just check the chicken pieces. This is completely cooked now, so I'm just going to plate the chicken pieces. Now for the Haryali tikka, we will need 50 grams of mint leaves, 50 grams of coriander leaves and 3 green chilies. You can adjust the amount of green chilies. Lemon juice 2 teaspoons, salt as per taste, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, and nutmeg, green cardamom and cinnamon powder around 1 teaspoon, and around 1 to 2 tablespoons of fresh cream, 100 grams of boneless chicken pieces. Now we will be taking the chicken pieces and I will be adding the salt and also the green masala that I have prepared from the coriander leaves, mint leaves and green chilies. I will add around 4 to 5 teaspoons the masala mixture, lemon juice around 2 teaspoons, ginger garlic paste, now just mix all the things together and we will marinate this in the refrigerator for around 2 to 3 hours. After 2 to 3 hours, remove this and we will be adding cream around 1 to 2 tablespoons. Now after adding the cream, mix this well. Again keep this for refrigeration for around 1 to 2 hours. After 1 to 2 hours, take the bamboo skewers and slide the chicken pieces through the skewers. Now in a frying pan, add the butter. Now we will add the chicken pieces. Now after about 4 to 5 minutes, uncover the lid and I will turn this over and I'll cook this on a low to medium flame on the other side as well for around 4 to 5 minutes. Now after about 4 to 5 minutes, the chicken pieces are completely cooked and we will now plate this. So now my 3 different types of chicken tikka is now ready and you can prepare this easily at home.